why is understanding the markets important? Well, because it's probably just the most important thing that it comes to our trading, right? We need to understand what the market conditions are, right? If we are in a heavily bullish market, we don't necessarily want to be sellers, obviously, unless we're at a specific point where we're interested in selling, and vice versa. So understanding how to read a price chart, understanding how to recognize if we are bullish, if we are bearish, if we are in a short-term pullback, if we've had a violation of trend, those are the key elements that go into setting up our trade. Something I teach traders on the Tier 1 trading platform is a 4-step process called IPDE, identify, predict, decide, execute, where it's really a routine, a ritual that we use to ensure that we're on the right side of the market and we don't get all confused and weird and stuff each time we do analysis. So we start by identifying what is the market doing, what has the market done, meaning are we bullish, are we bearish, are we in consolidation, where are we at relative to structure or other important levels. Based on what we identify, we can then predict, oh, based on what I saw, I think we're likely to continue bullish, or I think we're likely to get to an exhaustion point and have a little pullback and go bearish, or we're likely to break out of consolidation. After we form that prediction, we can then decide how we want to attack the market. Based on us being bullish and us recently having this pullback, I think I can enter at the low of this pullback. That way I can hop on the next extension up, right? You see it all flow. And then E is execute the trade, right? Pull the trigger. I don't know, how do you do triggers with finger guns? That's pew pew. That's weird. Anyway, come on, Q, focus. So that sets ourselves up in a way that we are consistent every time we read a price chart. And my philosophy on things are consistent analysis plus consistent execution equal consistent results. Meaning if you can analyze the price chart the same way each time using the same routine, and you can actually take the trades with consistency, meaning you don't have FOMO and enter too early, or you're fearful when you don't enter at all, then you should get the results that your back testing results say you should get. And that's what professional trading looks like.